Now the script to bypass that certificate pinning also needs to be on the device. So that script that we downloaded earlier, we can push that onto the device using the ADB push command again. And in here we either enter our Windows or our Linux path to the freedascript.js, and we want to again push it to the data local temp on the emulator device or on our real device, of course, that's also possible. And then we want to check and run that Frida server on that device. Now, if we execute this command, ADB shell data local temp Frida server and the ampersand command, this will execute our Frida server in the background. And then, of course, we can list all the processes running on the device using the Frida ps -u command. If this command gives you trouble, something went wrong when you pip installed your dependencies. So take a look at that again, make sure those are correct, and then if those are correct, then maybe you need to troubleshoot a little bit further, but those should be popping up then. Now we need to locate our package from that list, and we can easily just do that by looking at the name of the application we are looking for example Twitter, and with that package name we can then start up our script to inject the bypass for our certificate pinning. Now to do this, real simple again, we need to execute the Frida command -u and then the -f, and here you fill in your package name, the one that we got from the previous step, and then we add the -l parameter, and here we add the freedascript.js file on our computer. We add a few other options, and this needs to be in a new rule because this would be an example, and this is fixed in the new version of the PowerPoint as well, of course. So it would be like frida-u-f com.twitter.android-ld freedascript.js --no pause. And then if we execute this, we have bypassed our certificate pinning, guys. If we now browse through our application, we should no longer be seeing those annoying warnings that our certificate pinning is not happening correctly, or that we have some SSL errors in Burp. Because let's face it, guys, that's really annoying, and we just want to test our application. Well, now you know how. If you still get errors, that might be because the freedascript.js is not right, because it's again a very broad default script, but your target might have their own custom implementation of the certificate pinning in place, and it's really important that we do have our own script for that, and there are some other tools that can help us there.